we are going to make an Shivalingam. Before start the video, please subscribe. I am your friend Puneet. This video is also available on 3 languages. Check the icon. Also in description. Newspaper as rectangle and make a roll as I am showing. Take from the corner of the newspaper. After finishing, glue it. Make more tubes. Press the newspaper with the help of scissors. Now make the roll. After completing one circle, add 4 tubes for it. Totally, we have 5 circles. Use 5 tubes to make this big circle. Now gently place in the middle and make a dome. Not too hard, just gently press it. You will get a dome like this. After making it, apply glue so that it will not get loosened. Take a tube and then roll as a triangle as I am showing. Not like a circle as we made in the first step. It would be triangle. Sorry, rectangle. For this step, we are just using a single roll. It might be this much of a longer as I am showing. Now take one roll of a tube and then cut out the extra edges. Now glue it. After gluing it, take the circle and paste like this. Don't give more gaps here. It's important. Let it dry. Now take another roll and make the circle. For this, we are going to add 3 rolls for this. For making this, we added 5 rolls, and for making a smaller, we have added totally 4 rolls. 4. Don't be confused. Now take one roll and make a circle. This circle might be smaller than all of the others. Now make a rolls 5. We want 5 rolls. This roll contains only 1 tube and this contains 4. And the bigger part contains 5 newspaper of rolls and this contains 4. 1, 1, 1. Don't be confused. Now take one circle and press it. It must look like this. Now glue all circles together. Dome shape will be at top. Other 4 rolls will be normal. Don't do it as a top. This part should be facing downwards. This part will facing upwards. Gum made. Now we have completed half of our part. Remember, this part should be upwards and the doomed part should be at the downwards. Keep in mind, don't be confused. Now take the circle which I have used 4 tubes for making. Remember, 4 tubes of making. Press it gently and take it to the position of doom. It would be the bottom part of lingu. It must be removed fully and neatly. Don't push too hard so that everything get out. Now it has been dried. Stick them together. Stick them together. Let it dry. Please watch till the end because the important part begins now. It has dried completely. Now it's time for gluing. Now make a small pieces of newspaper. Paste it. To paste it, we have mixed a water and a Fevicol. Paste all sides. Not on the top of the portion. You have to cover only part of the side and not the bottom part. Now we are going to paint with black. We are finished painting. Let it dry. After dried, I made 3 lines with white and 1 dot with red. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel so that when we upload the new video, you can get the notification from us.